In today's session, I'm going to look at the 5 phases of project management. This is just a simplest overview of project management. One, we have the initiation phase, and this is the phase where you initiate your project, you write your project, you do your project problem statement, analysis, your implementation plan. All this is laid out into your project proposal, concept proposal, and then your project is successful, and then you go to the planning phase. And in the planning phase, this is where you plan out your project and how you're going to actually implement it, who are the people responsible, which team are you going to work with, what are the timelines for achieving the project's outcomes and objectives, what are the activities you're going to implement. So that's what you do in your planning phase. That's where you come up with your work breakdown structure, your implementation plan, your budgeting. You do all that in your planning phase. Then we come to the execution phase. This is the implementation phase, where you're actually implementing your project to make sure that the stated outcomes and objectives are being achieved. So in the execution and implementation, as I said, you actually now implementing your project, and this phase also you closely monitor and control to make sure actually are we still in line with the objectives we set, the activities we're implementing in line with the objectives we set, are we achieving our targets, our indicator targets, are we overspending, are we underspending. You're monitoring and controlling your project to make sure you actually achieve your project objectives. And then finally you finish your project, you're concluding, you're closing your project, come up with your project closure reports. And this is the closure phase. You do an evaluation of your project, come up with your impact report, and then project closure reports, and then see how to sustain your intervention of your project. And that's it today about the 5 phases of project management. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.